Conjunctions. Conjunctions are words used to connect words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. There are three main types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. 1. Coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions connect words, phrases, or clauses of equal importance. The most common coordinating conjunctions are and, but, or, nor, for, so, and yet. Example: I wanted to go to the park, but it started raining. 2. Subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions connect an independent clause, a complete sentence, to a dependent clause, an incomplete sentence. They show the relationship between the two clauses, often indicating time, cause, condition, or contrast. Examples: because it was raining, I stayed at home. Because is a subordinating conjunction. After I finish my work, I will go for a walk. After is a subordinating conjunction. 3. Correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions always come in pairs and are used to join words, phrases, or clauses with equal grammatical weight. Common pairs include either, or, neither, nor, both, and, not only, but, also, and whether, or. Example: she can either cook. These conjunctions play a crucial role in constructing meaningful and well-structured sentences and paragraphs. They help convey relationships, add complexity, and clarify ideas in written and spoken language.